Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Google Home Hub. So maybe you need to change your Wi-Fi network, or maybe you're giving this device away. To reset your Google Home Hub to factory default reset settings, you're going to flip it over, and then there's this button on the back here. You're going to go ahead and hold this down for 10 seconds, and then you're going to watch the screen show a reset message. So I'm holding that down, and I'm going to flip it over.
Reset this device. Release to cancel.
And if we keep holding through the countdown, it will factory reset. Now you can let off the button, and the Google Home Hub device will reset to factory default settings. So you just need to keep holding that button for those 10 seconds until the countdown ends.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
So now our Google Home Hub device has been reset to factory default settings, and we can set this back up on our phone. So if you're changing a Wi-Fi network or you're moving, you may need to reset this to factory default settings, or if you're giving this away. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Google Home Hub. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any links below if you want to support us. Thank you.